Andy again with Spartan Storm Service here on Jamie Nitka's roof, just resuming the repair. We just removed the damaged shingle as you saw. Now we're sliding the new one into its proper place, making sure that exposures are lined up in the correct spot, as well as the nail strips and the sealing strips of the shingle. Sealing strips are lined up. All right, using my hammer, just gonna put the 8 nails that need to go back in their right spot. Again, I'm not lifting the shingles with any intense force, just lifting them to about 55 to 60 degrees to make sure that my hammer has proper clearance. Or if you notice, I try to use the height of my hammer to measure it out. Again, not using excessive force, just doing what's necessary to put the nails back in their proper spot. Again, as you can see, I wasn't lifting them with great force. The nails are back in their spot. This section here was lifted twice because 2 nails needed to go back in. Now I'm just going to gently simulate rain because the granulars that are loose from the fracturing in the matting will wash away during the rain. As you can see, not with excessive force or swiping excessively, just demonstrating a little bit of rain. You can see the fractures, again, that have appeared on these shingles. I'm going to underline them with my chalk. Again, it's not super intensive because I was not intense with my swiping, but you can see the fracture right there, right here in the shingle, from where it had to be moved around for the repair. You can see where the granulars have come loose right here as a result of moving these shingles to put the nails back in their proper spots. These incurred damages now have to be repaired, and it is likely, again, that this continues to happen with the rest of the roof.